Isang magandang Lunes sa inyong lahat. Month end, ika-31 ng Mayo 2021. And welcome to the Thank God It's a Monday edition ng the stock market today. Munti ko na sabihin Friday. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007. And I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. Kung gusto niyo po yung content, iniimbitahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe sa aking channel at mag-like. And if you have stocks in mind na gusto ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at aking pong ipa-prioritize. Ang ating news item po ngayon ay tungkol sa Metro Pacific expansion plans at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, May 31, 2021, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From Philstar, MPIC to expand in ASEAN region. Metro Pacific's Investment Corp, or MPIC, the listed tollways and infrastructure conglomerate of the MVP Group, is looking to expand in the region as it continues to navigate the road to recovery amid the negative impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. MPIC President and CEO Jose Maria Lim said the company wants to expand its footprint in Indonesia by acquiring more toll roads. The group, through Metro Pacific Tollways Corp, has already opened 2 new roads in Indonesia and Vietnam. MPTC has full ownership of the toll road operator Indonesia PT Margautama Nusantara. Aside from Indonesia, MPTC also has presence in Thailand. MPIC is also expanding its renewable energy footprint as well. The group has a 50-megawatt solar project in Bulacan, while its power generation arm, Global Business Power, is developing 300 megawatts of additional solar plants in Isabela, Rizal, and Nueva Ecija. It has a 500-megawatt pump storage hydro plant in Rizal. These projects will continue even as MPIC reduced its capital expenditures for the year to 14 billion from 25 billion. Lim said the company would continue to preserve its balance sheet and optimize capital allocation. Now, may I share with you the commentary of Video Nomura on this news item. Sabi niya, MPI's lower capex can lead to lower debt and interest expense cost, which is EPS accretive in our view, earnings per share in EPS. We also think that the expansion into renewables is an upside risk to our evaluation. We have a buy rating on MPI with a target price of 6 pesos and 60 centavos, or that's about 60% upside. And later on, we will take a look at how Metro Pacific is doing in our stock market. In the meantime, let's take a look at what happened to the PSE index. The index is consolidating. Hindi ka naman magsabing mag-profit taking kasi nasa taas pa siya. And the closing price is higher than our 3 main indicators, the EMA 20, 50, and 100, represented by the orange, blue, and the black line respectively. So the Philippine Stock Index lost 46.42 points or 0.69% to end at 6628.49, pero bullish pa po siya dahil yung RSI natin ay nasa 65.03. And yung market summary natin, 103 companies declined, 85 advanced, while 57 remained unchanged. So almost sideways ang kanyang movement. The all-share index lost 0.61%, while the sectoral indices ended in the red except for the financials, which gained 0.07%. The decliners was led by properties at 1.48%. Now, let's review the top 10 stocks plus Metro Pacific. So we will be reviewing Metro Pacific, BDO, Ali, JFC, Converge, AC, AP, Pure Gold, SM, and JGS to round up our 10 most active stocks. So let's now take a look at MPI. MPI undervalued to it, pero tumaas siya. So from a closing price last Friday at 393, it ended at 398 or 5 centavos higher than the previous close. Kasi dito, the lowest that it got was 361. It closed at 361 noong May 24. Pero 398 na po. And it is a good indication that the stock is being picked up by bargain hunters. Kasi napakamura po ng stock eh. Biro nyo, yung fundamental analysis would say it's 660 yung kanyang presyo. Right now, we have net foreign buying on the stock at 3.96. In the meantime, the nearest resistance of MPI is here at 410 to 420. Yun po yung nearest resistance ni Metro Pacific, and yung target price na 660, yung next resistance level, tingnan natin kung matitignan, 458 lang eh. Pero nandito siya po, yung tunay na presyo niya ay not even here, it's even higher, no? Nandito yung presyo niya eh, 660. Yan. Pero technical analysis po to 660 eh. Pero yung kung technical analysis po, yung level na niya is 680. Pero 660 po yung presyo ni BDO Nomura sa Metro Pacific dahil very attractive po yung deal niya with Maynila, no? Yung deal niya with the government is sa kanyang view ay attractive. So that's MPI, which is right now bullish. And then the next would be BDO. Okay, BDO gained. Meron siyang dividend. I think, yes, 30 centavos. Every quarter po ito, nagbibigay siya ng dividend. At consistent po magbigay ng dividend si BDO dahil laging 30 centavos po yan. Kahit noong 2015 up to the present, hindi po nagbago yung kanyang dividend. So it ended at 103.70 or 1 peso 90 centavos up. So from here, from 98 pesos, kung kukomputin po natin yung increase, ay nasa 5.81% po yung kanyang increase, ano? Or 5.7% kung nakabili po kayo at 98. And right now, the stock is sideways to bullish since the RSI is at 51 and the closing price is higher than RM at 20. So it's sideways to bullish ang kanyang movement. And then let's see Ali. Okay, Ali, nagko-consolidate po ito. Kasi there was a breakout here no May 27 May 26 last Friday, and the sentiment is already bullish since yung kanyang closing price is approaching EMA 100. Nalagpasan na po niya yung EMA 50 and EMA 20. And the next resistance level for Ali nasa 38.15, 38.10 to 38.20 yung next resistance level po niya. Yun yung titingnan natin sa susunod. Then after Ali, JFC. JFC is bullish. Yan, nagko-consolidate siya. So from a profit-taking Friday, nag-bounce siya a bit, but in effect, it is consolidating, and the stock is bullish since our closing prices are above our three main indicators. Furthermore, the RSI is bullish at 69.73, almost oversold. Kasi noong 27 Friday or 26 Friday, oversold na po siya. Yan, May 27 rather. So it ended at 92.90. Then after JFC, Converge. Okay, Converge, nag-profit taking si Converge. Although, kita po natin, titignan natin yung ating channel, pataas pa rin siya. So if we will be drawing a channel, a parallel channel, so it follows just this line. Yeah, it follows that this channel here, and it closely follows the EMA 50. So di nyo yung straight line na EMA 50 po yan. So yung lagay natin yung support level ni Converge at the EMA 50 18.8 or 18.81. And bullish pa rin po si Converge dahil yung medium, short, medium, and long term are upwards yung kanyang trend. So palagay ko po, after this, the following day, magbabounce po yan si Converge dahil most probably na-hit po niya yung kanyang resistance level. And then after Converge, Ayala Corporation. Another resilient stock. Nag-consolidate lang po si Ayala Corporation. It gained 15 centavos or 15 pesos rather from the opening of 781. That's 1.93% up. The stock is bullish as the RSI is already at 63. And wala pa siya sa overbought level and very net foreign buying. So bullish po tayo kay Ayala Corporation with the next resistance level here at 817 to 820 yung next resistance level of Ayala Corporation. And then after Ayala Corporation, Aboitiz Power. Okay, Aboitiz Power had a profit taking. So nag-profit taking po ang stock, pero the closing price is still higher than our EMA 20, which means that the stock is still bullish. Sideways to bullish po ang kanyang movement, and it ended at 22.70. Pero kung fundamentals po ang pag-uusapan, 30 pesos po ang tunay na presyo ni Aboitiz Power. And then Pure Gold, ang target price natin dito based on fundamentals, 54. So nag-profit taking din po si Pure Gold from the opening of 39.25. It lost 2 pesos from the previous closing price. Pero bullish pa rin po siya dahil the closing price is higher than the EMA 50 and EMA 20. RSI is also bullish at 29. So abangan nyo lang po dahil nagpa-profit taking lang po yung mga investors. No? In the meantime, the nearest resistance is here at 41. 41 to 42 po yung nearest resistance. And then SM mukhang nag-consolidate. Yeah, it's consolidating although it ended with a green candlestick. But the closing price is still higher than the 20 and 50-day exponential moving average, which put the stock as bullish. Kasi this is confirmed by the RSI at 54. Then finally, JG Summit. Okay, JG Summit from a breakout last May 27, it is now consolidating and meron siyang dividends. Payment date July 7, 38 centavo dividends. It ended at 57, losing 1 peso 20 centavos from the previous day, but there was net foreign buying today, And it is still bullish in spite of the fact that it ended in the red today because the closing price is higher than our 20 and 50-day exponential moving average. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market month-end May 31, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli, God bless and bye for now.